Hello, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Bluey and Triceratops from Jurassic World together as one character. So let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey mixed with a Triceratops. So let's get started, okay? Well, from Jurassic World, I guess. We're going to go right here and draw a straight line right there for the top of Bluey's snout. Right over here, instead of the nose, we're going to go right into a horn right there. Going to go over here and pull down the front of Bluey's snout. Back over here. Smile, line. Over here on this side, a circle for the eye. Go over here in the far end over here. Circle right there. Circle on that side. Right here. Line over here. Line right there. Up over here. And we can curve it along the side over here, like top of the head on that side. And then we're going to go over here on this side. You know what? We're not going to actually put anything down on this side. What we're going to do is we're going to put the flat part over here. Down like so. Over here now. See, this line's going to go, try to match this line right here. Follow it right there. Catch it on this side. Down. Over here now for his arm. Over here as well. And we're going to put like a flat kind of, more Triceratops-like body on that one. Or, yeah, like his hand would be like that. Downward right here. And we're going to go down over here. We're going to curve. He still has a body shaped like an iPhone. That's kind of what I noticed. Line over here. Line over here. Down. Up over there. Now we're going to do the crest, right? Like the Triceratops crest that they have, like on the top. Very identifiable. So we're going to go up right there. Wiggle right here. Wiggle. And we're going to go kind of in a circular pattern right there. Go down at an angle right there. Going to go back on each one and put like a horn over here at the edge. And we're going to go right here at the top. See if the eyebrow, we're going to go up, down, horn on that side. Up over here, horn right there. Out over here, down. Go down to the feet now. Right here we go down, curve, up, down, curve over here, up, line over here, down for kind of the pattern on the stomach, out over here, down, line across, over here on the, put the hands right there, 1, 2, one right here for like some nails. We're actually gonna do it down here as well. 1, 2, 3, like these little gravestone shapes, just very simplistic little gravestone shapes like that. Cool. And we're going to go into the color change now of him because for the most part, he's pretty much good with that. We're going to do the color change. So when we kind of look at him, kind of look deeper at him, we're like, all right. So what Bluey tends to have is right here, we're going to draw a line on this side. down right here, out, down over here, in. Line right there for that pattern. Another line right here. Curve over here. All right. We're going to put a line on the horn, kind of like, you could darken it in totally, but we could just put a big thick line right there, and it makes it look a little bit shiny, right? Gives it that more of like a rhino horn almost, even though it's like a Triceratops horn. Line over here to the exact same thing to the horn on his head. Line over here as well. Let's go over here on this side, downward curve. We're drawing a thick line on the outer edge. Line right here. Curve along that side. Line right there. Line over here on this side. Curve along here, line underneath. Oh, I'm gonna see. Curve over here. Just again, we're putting this thicker line because it gives it a little bit more of an animated look. And so, and you know, also gives it a little bit more of a graphic look. One thing I want you to do is I want you to stay positive. When you're kind of drawing this stuff, it's easy to become like wrapped up and, you know, maybe go like, oh, you know, I don't like this, but just stay positive, and that's going to carry you a lot further than you think. People that stay positive while they're drawing, meaning like they're like, oh yeah, it'll work out, or you know what, if you make a mistake, you make a mistake, so be it. That's a learning experience. When you do that, it makes it so much easier to get better, to get back into it, and you don't get exhausted or, you know, line over here, I forgot, right here on the tail as well. That is it. That is Bluey mixed with a Triceratops from Jurassic World. If you enjoyed this, share the video. It does a lot of good for the channel. And, you know, I want to hear what you have to say. Is there another combination of a character you want to hear? What would this, you know, the name of this character be? Bluey and a Triceratops together, what would that be? Thank you so much. Stay here, though. We're going to go through another drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.